Welcome! In this video, we'll explore how beginners can start making money online. The internet offers countless opportunities, but knowing where to start can be overwhelming. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, there's something for everyone. We'll break down the basics, discuss popular methods, and share practical tips to help you get started. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to begin your online earning journey. Let's dive in and discover the best ways for beginners to make money online, step by step. Making money online offers flexibility, convenience, and the potential to reach a global audience. For beginners, it's a chance to earn without needing a large investment or specialized skills. You can work from anywhere, set your own hours, and explore a variety of opportunities. Whether you want to supplement your income or build a new career, online earning can fit your lifestyle. Let's look at some of the reasons why so many people are turning to the internet for income and how you can benefit too. Before jumping in, it's important to assess your current skills and interests. Are you good at writing, graphic design, or maybe you're tech savvy? Identifying your strengths will help you choose the right online money-making method. Don't worry if you feel you lack experience. Many opportunities require only basic skills, and you can always learn as you go. Take a moment to reflect on what you enjoy and what you're willing to learn. This self-assessment will guide your choices and set you up for success. Freelancing is one of the most popular ways to make money online. As a freelancer, you offer your services to clients around the world. Common freelance jobs include writing, graphic design, programming, and digital marketing. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer make it easy to get started. You create a profile, list your skills, and bid on projects. Freelancing allows you to choose your clients, set your rates, and work on projects that interest you. It's a flexible and rewarding way to earn online. There are several platforms designed to connect freelancers with clients. Upwork is known for a wide range of job categories, while Fiverr focuses on gigs starting at $5. Freelancer.com is another option with global reach. Each platform has its own features, but all allow you to showcase your skills and find work. Signing up is usually free, and you can start applying for jobs right away. Take time to build a strong profile and gather positive reviews to increase your chances of success. Remote work is another excellent way for beginners to make money online. Many companies now hire remote employees for roles like customer service, data entry, and virtual assistants. These jobs often provide stable income and benefits, making them ideal for those seeking consistency. Websites like remote.co, We Work Remotely, and FlexJobs list thousands of remote job openings. With a reliable internet connection and basic computer skills, you can start applying for remote positions and work from the comfort of your home. Participating in online surveys and market research is a simple way to earn extra cash. Companies pay for your opinions on products that and services, helping them improve their offerings. While this won't make you rich, it's an easy way to get started. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Toluna offer paid surveys. You can sign up for free, complete surveys in your spare time, and earn rewards or cash. It's a great option for beginners looking for a low-effort income stream. Selling products online is a tried and true way to make money. You can sell physical goods through platforms like eBay, Amazon, or Etsy, or create your own online store using Shopify. Digital products, such as ebooks, courses, or printables, are also popular. Start by identifying what you want to sell, research your market, and set up your online shop. With the right approach, selling online can become a profitable business, even for beginners. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products without holding inventory. When a customer places an order, you purchase the item from a supplier who ships it directly to the customer. This reduces upfront costs and risk. Platforms like Shopify and Oberlo make dropshipping accessible for beginners. You focus on marketing and customer service, while suppliers handle fulfillment. With careful planning and research, dropshipping can be a scalable way to earn money online. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral link. You can join affiliate programs from companies like Amazon, ClickBank, or ShareASale. To succeed, you'll need to create content such as blog posts, videos, or social media posts that encourages people to buy through your links. Affiliate marketing is ideal for beginners because it requires little upfront investment and can be done alongside other online activities. Content creation is a booming field for online income. You can start a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast and monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, or merchandise. Choose a topic you're passionate about and create valuable content for your audience. Building an audience takes time, but with consistency and creativity, content creation can become a significant source of income. Many beginners find success by sharing their knowledge, hobbies, or experiences online. Social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook offer ways to earn money by building a following. Influencers can partner with brands for sponsored posts, sell their own products, or use affiliate links. Even with a small audience, you can start monetizing by focusing on a niche and engaging with your followers. Consistent posting, authentic content, and community interaction are key to growing your presence and income on social media. If you have expertise in a subject, teaching or tutoring online is a great way to earn money. Platforms like VIP Kid, Teachable, and Udemy allow you to teach languages, academic subjects, or specialized skills. You can create courses, offer live lessons, or provide one-on-one tutoring. Teaching online is rewarding and flexible, making it perfect for beginners who enjoy helping others learn. Plus, you can reach students from all over the world. Virtual assistants provide administrative support to businesses and entrepreneurs remotely. Tasks may include managing emails, scheduling appointments, or handling social media. This role is in high demand and suitable for beginners with good organizational skills. Websites like Belay, Time, etc., and Fancy Hands connect virtual assistants with clients. As a virtual assistant, you can work part-time or full-time and often set your own hours. Transcription involves converting audio or video recordings into written text, while translation requires converting content from one language to another. Both are accessible online jobs for beginners. Websites like Rev, TranscribeMe, and Gengo offer opportunities to get started. These roles require attention to detail and good language skills. With practice, you can increase your speed and earnings over time. Microtasking platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk and Clickworker pay users to complete small online tasks. These tasks can include data entry, image tagging, or simple research. While the pay per task is usually low, you can complete many tasks quickly. Microtasking is ideal for beginners who want to earn extra cash in their spare time without committing to long-term projects. Print on demand allows you to sell custom-designed products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases without holding inventory. When a customer orders, the product is printed and shipped by a third-party provider. Platforms like Printful and Redbubble make it easy to upload your designs and start selling. This is a creative way for beginners to make money online, especially if you enjoy graphic design or art. If you enjoy photography, selling stock photos online can be a profitable side hustle. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStock allow you to upload your photos and earn royalties each time someone downloads them. You don't need professional equipment. Many stock photos are taken with smartphones. Focus on high-quality, in-demand subjects to maximize your earnings. This is a great way for beginners to turn a hobby into income. Companies pay users to test websites and apps, providing feedback on usability and design. Platforms like User Testing and Try My UI offer paid testing opportunities. You'll be asked to complete specific tasks and share your thoughts, often through recorded videos. This is a straightforward way for beginners to earn money online while helping companies improve their digital products. Many apps offer gig-based work, such as delivering food, running errands, or completing small jobs. Apps like Uber Eats, TaskRabbit, and DoorDash connect you with local opportunities. While some gigs require leaving your home, others can be completed online. App-based gigs are flexible and can be a good starting point for beginners looking to earn extra income. Online investing platforms make it possible for beginners to grow their money. You can invest in stocks, ETFs, or cryptocurrencies using apps like Robinhood, eToro, or Coinbase. Start with small amounts and learn as you go. While investing carries risk, it can also offer long-term rewards. Educate yourself before investing and consider starting with virtual portfolios to practice. If you enjoy writing, there are many ways to earn money online. You can write articles, blog posts, or product descriptions for websites and businesses. Platforms like TextBroker, iWriter, and Medium's partner program connect writers with paid opportunities. Good writing skills and attention to detail are important, but you don't need to be a professional author to get started. Writing online is a flexible and rewarding option for beginners. Data entry is a straightforward online job that involves inputting information into databases or spreadsheets. Many companies hire remote workers for data entry tasks. While the pay is often modest, data entry requires minimal experience and can be done from home. Websites like Clickworker and Dion Data Solutions offer data entry opportunities for beginners. Many companies hire remote customer service representatives to handle inquiries, resolve issues, and provide support. These roles often offer steady pay and benefits. Good communication skills and a friendly attitude are essential. Websites like Indeed and Remote.co list customer service job openings. This is a reliable option for beginners seeking stable online employment. If you have expertise in a particular area, online coaching can be a lucrative way to earn money. Coaches help clients achieve goals in areas like fitness, business, or personal development. You can offer one-on-one sessions or group coaching via video calls. Platforms like Coach, Me, and Clarity.fm connect coaches with clients. This is a rewarding path for beginners who enjoy mentoring and helping others succeed. If you're crafty, selling handmade goods online is a great way to earn money. Platforms like Etsy and Handmade at Amazon allow you to reach customers looking for unique, handcrafted items. From jewelry to home decor, the possibilities are endless. Take high-quality photos, write detailed descriptions, and provide excellent customer service to stand out. This is a creative and fulfilling option for beginners. Online contests and competitions offer cash prizes for skills like writing, photography, or design. Websites like 99 Designs, Freelancer, and various writing contests provide opportunities to showcase your talents and win money. While not a guaranteed income, contests can be fun and rewarding, especially for beginners looking to test their skills and gain experience. You can make money online by renting out assets you own, such as a spare room, car, or equipment. Platforms like Airbnb, Turo, and Fat Llama connect you with people looking to rent. This is a passive way to earn extra income and make use of resources you already have. Beginners can start small and scale up as they gain experience. Companies pay for honest reviews of their products and services. You can write reviews on websites, create video reviews, or participate in product testing programs. Platforms like Influencer and User Testing offer paid review opportunities. This is a simple way for beginners to earn money online while trying out new products. Focus groups gather people to discuss products, services, or ideas, and participants are paid for their time. These sessions can be held online via video calls or chat. Companies value your opinions and use them to improve their offerings. Websites like Respondent and FocusGroup.com list paid focus group opportunities. This is a straightforward way for beginners to earn money and share their thoughts. Online communities, forums, and social media groups often hire moderators to keep discussions safe and organized. Moderators enforce rules, answer questions, and manage content. This role is suitable for beginners who are responsible and enjoy community engagement. Websites like Mod Squad and The Social Element offer online moderation jobs. Digital artists can sell their creations online as prints, graphics, or NFTs. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and OpenSea make it easy to reach buyers worldwide. If you enjoy drawing or graphic design, this is a creative way to earn money. Beginners can start by offering simple designs and expand as they build their portfolio. Podcasting is a growing medium for sharing stories, interviews, or educational content. You can monetize your podcast through sponsorships, listener donations, or advertising. Platforms like Anchor and Patreon help beginners launch and grow their podcasts. Choose a topic you're passionate about, create engaging episodes, and build an audience to start earning. If you're fluent in more than one language, online translation services are in demand. You can translate documents, websites, or videos for clients worldwide. Platforms like Django, ProZ, and Translators Cafe connect translators with paid projects. This is a flexible and rewarding way for bilingual beginners to earn money online. Voiceover artists provide narration for videos, ads, audiobooks, and more. If you have a clear speaking voice, you can find voiceover gigs online. Platforms like Voices.com and Fiverr connect talent with clients. Beginners can start with simple projects and build a portfolio over time. This is a fun and creative way to earn money online. Online research jobs involve gathering information, analyzing data, or compiling reports for businesses and organizations. Websites like Wonder and Ask Wonder offer paid research tasks. These jobs are suitable for beginners who are detail-oriented and enjoy digging into topics. Research work can be done from anywhere and offers flexible hours. Businesses need help managing their social media accounts, creating content, and engaging with followers. Social media managers plan posts, respond to comments, and analyze performance. Beginners can start by managing accounts for small businesses or individuals. Platforms like Upwork and LinkedIn list social media management jobs. This is a dynamic and creative role for those who enjoy social media. Website building is easier than ever with tools like Wix, Squarespace, and WordPress. Beginners can create simple websites for clients or personal projects. Many small businesses need basic websites and are willing to pay for setup and maintenance. Learning basic web design skills can open up new income streams and help you stand out in the online marketplace. If you have knowledge in a specific area, creating and selling online courses can be highly profitable. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare make it easy to reach students worldwide. You can create video lessons, quizzes, and downloadable materials. This is a scalable way for beginners to share their expertise and earn passive income. Online auctions allow you to sell items to the highest bidder. Platforms like eBay and Katawiki make it easy to list products and reach buyers worldwide. Auctions can be a fun way to sell collectibles, antiques, or even everyday items. Beginners can start by selling unused items from home and learn the process as they go. Cashback programs reward you for shopping online through specific links or apps. Websites like Rakuten, Honey, and Top Cashback offer cashback on purchases from popular retailers. Simply sign up, shop as usual, and earn a percentage of your spending back. This is an easy way for beginners to save money and earn a little extra on everyday purchases. Joining focused online communities can help you find new earning opportunities, learn from others, and stay motivated. Forums, Facebook groups, and Discord servers are great places to connect with like-minded people. Sharing experiences and tips can accelerate your online earning journey. Beginners benefit from support, advice, and networking within these communities. Safety is crucial when making money online. Be cautious of scams, protect your personal information, and use secure payment methods. Research platforms before signing up and read reviews from other users. Never pay upfront fees for jobs or opportunities. By staying vigilant, you can avoid common pitfalls and focus on legitimate ways to earn money online. It's important to set realistic expectations when starting your online earning journey. Most methods require time, effort, and patience before you see significant results. Start small, learn as you go, and don't get discouraged by slow progress. Consistency and a willingness to adapt are key to long-term success. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. You've now learned about a wide range of ways to make money online as a beginner. The key is to choose a method that matches your skills and interests, start small, and build up over time. Take action on one or two ideas, learn from your experiences, and keep exploring new opportunities. With persistence and the right mindset, you can turn online earning into a rewarding part of your life. Good luck on your journey.